Recording, we are going to be learning how to manipulate text in Illustrator and how to make it run along a path. So I've used the T for text, and you click and you'll also see up here when I start clicking that the text options come up. So I can change the font, I can change if it's bold, and I can also change the font size. So I've written already hello, and we are going to manipulate this. So as normal, you can highlight it and change the shape. You can also, with the black arrow, make it bigger and smaller and thinner, like you would in any other program. You can also rotate the text as well as normal. Okay, so you'll notice that if you use the white arrow, you can't actually manipulate the text still. And I want to be able to change the actual shapes of the object. And so to do this, you need to actually make the text become an object instead of being text, because I want to manipulate it. By doing this, you will not be able to use it as normal text. So you need to go to create outlines. There now it becomes an object, and you'll see that anchor points have now been created. So I can now actually manipulate these by using the white arrow, as I would any other object. So it means now I can actually tweak the objects a little bit. And I can actually also extend the shape. I can also move the shape. This is really useful for creating logos, because you are then able to start merging shapes and changing them. And you could also individually change the color of the object or the text. You can also individually change the object, but you can also still, like this. But you can also change the object by using the black arrow. And so you can still actually individually rotate as well. So you can change the text still. But remember, it is now an object, it isn't text. However, you can also make the text run around a line by creating the line with the pen tool. And you can either automatically go straight onto the object, and you'll see that it will try and work along a path, or you can actually use the type on a path tool. So I'll click on this object, and it will mean that now I can actually make the text run around that path that I've created. You can also still make it smaller or bigger, and you can add some more text. And as soon as you click off, the path actually disappears. So there are some simple ways of actually manipulating the text, which you can then add to the objects.